Hello, so it's time for another vlog. This time we are in Germany, and as you can see, I'm at a square where the Church of Saint Marie is. But unfortunately, the weather decided it's gonna be bad on us, and it decided to rain. So we don't have that much time to explore until it starts really pouring. So let's go. I'll show you how nice actually Dresden is. Now this is probably the biggest square in all of Dresden. During Christmas, this is where they have the Christmas markets. When it's Easter, they have the Easter markets and all that. It's pretty big. And from here, everything is so close. Like you can get to the Lappe River in about 5 minutes. You can get to the square which I showed you earlier in the video in about 1 minute. You can get to that in like 2 minutes. And that's all walking distance. So this is one thing I like about Dresden, that everything is like at a walking distance, especially in the center, like all the older buildings from the previous centuries. And it's just full of different styled architectural sites. It's not just, you know, 15th century or like early stuff. It's everything pretty much. And at some points I actually feel like I'm in Amsterdam, because they have actually that tower looks a lot like Amsterdam's town hall, which I'll probably show you in a different vlog, because I'm actually planning to visit Amsterdam this year as well. But the time for that will come later, a lot later. And again, since it's starting to rain, we gotta roll.